Work together.
Okay.
Then I'll do the bow. Okay. Find a wire to do the bow for me. Because we don't know how. This is difficult. Yeah, in fact, we might get glare. Daddy, is this one for both of us too? Is this for both of us too?
Yes, the purple ones are for your bow.
Do you know what, Dad? I love every color. Then start with it. Whoa! A Wii U? A Wii U game?
Yep.
This is a whole Wii U.
It's a whole Wii U game with Mario Kart.
You bought us a Wii U?
Yep.
Yay!
Millie, do you like it?
I'll put the presents over here.
Millie, do you like it?
Yeah. Okay. Wait.
Wait, you got one more together.
Black pie face
Here.
and baseball.
Open that.
Ben, come help your sister open that.
You get the bow off.
Yeah, honey.
We don't really want to get the bow off because it's glittery, right, Billy? I think I know what it is. I think I do. It's Super Smash Brothers! Super Mario Maker! You knew it all along?
You like it, Millie?
Yes. Now we can create our own world. Yeah, we can create our own world.
Did you like it, Ben?
Yeah. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
You're welcome.
Oh, what's that?